Well, here we go again, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to buy fractional shares on the Fidelity app. So let's get right into this video. It won't be long, maybe a minute or two. The market is down, but that's okay. But you came to this video to learn how to buy fractional shares. Now, it's easy. It's easy. So first, all you have to do is just find whatever stock that you want to buy. Procter & Gamble. Let's go into Procter & Gamble. Okay, so let's just say I only have $15 or $20 and I just want to buy a small portion of Procter & Gamble. So you go to trade, and so you want to go down, and then you can see where it says shares, and you'll see where it says dollars. So all you have to do is switch it to dollars, and then that's it. That's how you buy fractional shares. Look, put in $15, and then you can buy a fraction of that. But oh, forgot, you got to hit buy first, and you see estimated shares 0.116. So that's how you buy fractional shares on the Fidelity app. Very easy. Some, like when I first got the app, I think it looked something like this, and then if you want to buy a share, you know, it didn't show up. So if you have to, scroll down and you'll see where it says fewer trade options. Hit that button, and then that should pop up like that. Mine was originally this way, so I didn't know how to buy fractional shares. That's why when I went on it, it was already up there. But if you're wondering, like, my settings don't look like that, yeah, just hit that. Just hit where it says fewer trade selections, tap that, and then you should have everything. You should have the dollar amount up there, and it's easy, man, just like that. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you learned something that quick, straight to the point, hit the subscribe button, guys. We're trying to get to 100 as soon as possible. Thank you. Continue to grind, continue to shine, guys. I'll see you in the next one. If you have any question about the Fidelity app, drop it down below in the comment section.